Hi Scott, this is Ashley, and I'm going to show you how to go to NERC pages and make each one of these lines a link in their own page. So what we're going to start is on your website here. First we're going to go, I'm using Firefox, you're probably going to use Internet Explorer, but just look for a little plus sign at the top somewhere. It's going to say open a new tab. I'm going to click that. We're going to go ahead and go to the website where we can log in and just use your login. I'm going to use mine. Alright, once we get there, we're going to have to do it one more time because we need 3 tabs open. So I'm just going to go back to that login again. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need to do is find this NERC page. So you're going to go to, once you get to the dashboard, go to Pages, click that, and up here there's a search bar right here. You're going to type in NERC, helps you find it quicker. Okay, and this is the page right here. So go and click that, and let's open that page. And this is going to give you the list of each one of these which are on this page. Also make sure that you're on visual view. So if you see the HTML tab is highlighted, just hit visual, because that's going to be a little bit easier to use. So we're going to go and we're going to make a page for the types of protective relays. So select that whole line, and what you're going to do is right-click your mouse and do copy. Then we're going to go to the next tab you have open, and we're going to add a new page, and this is going to be the new protective relay page. So we're going to click Add New right here. And we're going to paste that title into the title of this new page here. So just right-click your mouse and do paste, and that's going to be the title of this page. Here, this is where you're going to type in all your information like you've been doing. So I'm going to go and get that information really quick. Okay. Okay, so here's all the information for the types of protective relays. And you would just probably type that in. I just copied and pasted it from where I found the information. Okay. Also, a quick thing here, if you want to be able to see more of the viewing area where you're typing, if you click this area here that has 3 lines, you can pull that down so you can see where you're typing. The next thing you're going to do is click this right here where it says exclude pages. You want to make sure that is checked off. If it's on, it will show up here in this line of pages, which you don't want. So make sure that's checked off on each one of them. Next, you're going to go in here and you need to copy this permalink. This is the thing that you don't want to touch or like retype, but you do need to copy what's in there. So if you just go to edit, it makes it selectable, and this is where you can select the whole line. I'm going to do that, right click again and copy and hit OK. Just make sure you do not change any of that. Next you're going to go to publish, and this makes the page viewable now. And it'll tell you when it's done. Okay, so it says page is published, so that part's done. We're going to go back to the main NERC page where we took this title, Go to select that title, and there's a button up here that looks like chain links right here. This is going to be where you can actually link that last page you just made to this line here. So you're going to click that button, and you can just right-click your mouse and hit paste, and that's going to paste in what you just copied. And we're going to add the link, and when it turns blue, it means you linked it. So what I'm going to do really quick is go to Update over here, click Update, okay, it says its page is updated. So now we're going to go back to the web page, and we're going to refresh the page. Once you refresh it, it should show what you just did. So we just did types of protective relays, which is this one here, and it shows it's a link now. What you want to do is click on it and make sure it goes to it. And there you go. There's all the words that we just typed in for that page. I'll do it one more time so you can see it, but you're going to do that through the process through each one of these, and that's how you link each one of them. So I'll do one more. We're going to do monitoring system conditions. Right-click your mouse and copy. I'm going to go back to this tab here and click this Pages Add New button because we're going to make a new page. Make sure you don't start typing over this one here. So click Add New. Okay, we're going to right-click and there we go. Right-click and paste. Paste in that title. I'm going to go get the text for that really quick. And what you'll just do is here is type in the information. Just make sure you stay in the visual. I go back to HTML because I'm copying it in a little differently than you'll be doing. Just stay in the visual section. Once you have all this typed in, the next thing is to do, make sure you hit this excludes button down here every time. Then we need to copy this permalink up here without changing the words. So copy this line, right-click your mouse, and copy that, and hit OK. And we're going to publish the page. Okay, we're going to go back to the NERC page, and this one that we just highlighted, we're going to link it, and just right-click your mouse, hit paste, pasting in that permalink, and then hit this button that says Add Link down here. Once you have that in, you can hit Update. Okay, it says page is updated. I'm going to go back to the web page, and we're going to go back to the NERC page. And here's the monitoring system conditions, the one that we just did. Click on that. And there's the stuff we just typed in. So that's what you'll do all through each one of these. And it's going to be the same way if you do any other of these too, because I know you mentioned that you want to do a few other ones. So just go through each one of those and make sure you hit that check mark each time right here and that you copy that permalink without changing it, and it should work. That should be it.